Alright, coming into the small town of Troup, Texas, just south of White House, like 10 minutes. They have another hidden gem of a car wash that I only recently discovered. And it's just called Car Wash on Google Maps, so... Been going back and forth between a lot of good, bad car washes. So hopefully this one's good. Small towns usually have the best car washes. Building something new over there. I thought that was another car wash. I don't think it didn't look like it. Okay, there it is. Oh wow, looks like they recently refurbished the place. Uh-oh, I wonder if the machine is still there or if they replaced it. Oh yes, it is still there. Yes. Check it out. Oh! Oh! You screwed my bumper now. But yeah, another Millennium. This one looks like a time capsule. It's alright. I'll put my card for this one. Man, the place really got spruced up recently. It looks really nice now, and I'm really glad they kept this machine in here. This is the third one of these in East Texas now that I know of. Actually 4. It's one in Mount Vernon. But yeah, very nice place. So there's a Express for 6, Deluxe for 8, Super for 10, Works for 12. I'm doing my card for this one. Hopefully I can use a couple more 20s on tunnel washes after this. Here it is. Alright, this thing, it looks... Man, this thing is a beauty. They did a good job restoring the place. There are spots all over my car from the last wash. He retrofitted it with a virtual treadle. Man, this thing is in really nice shape. Oh yes, nice and slow. This will be a very good wash. Yep, checking the car. go again. They don't even squeak that much either, and I can tell they run really smooth. Honestly, this might be better than the other two that I filmed last year. This thing is just so good. Almost sounds like an old-fashioned washing machine. Oh, here we go again, with now wax being displayed. This is the kind of thing why I like to put these videos together, because older car wash systems, most of the time anyway, they're just like so much better and so much more interesting. And yet there's our spot free. Hopefully the dryers work this time, which they should. Genesis Dryer Systems. Outstanding wash. Small towns have the best car washes. What can I say? Nothing beats these old systems. I have time just to pull over here and check my front bumper from when I pulled into here, because that did not sound good. Oh! My bumper just should be able just to like do that. Let's see. Anyway. I think I have it on there. Okay, yeah, and that's from my hand, not the wash. Well, I think it's fine. Oh yeah, the car is way better, see? Old car washes rule. Oh yeah, there's cameras right there, so I don't know. But yeah. Thank you all for watching, hope you all enjoyed, and I highly recommend checking this place out.